Hello? This is the part here because I accidentally clicked. I don't know if it's in foggy or I think I did even notice that. I don't know about nothing because just a while ago. So next, open this. Yes. So register sandals. Full? Yay! Hey, where did you put it? It's like that. Again, so this is her beautiful brush. So, so did you already put it? No. Oh. Okay, so example, this is her normal dress. So when we put it, that's it. So it's really awesome. So can you hold this one for a while? So let's go and try this glitter. I don't know. So she has that. So it's a cute. We change our room now, and it's Barbie, so it's kind of dusty now. And she has beautiful earrings. Wait, I'll do it. Hold it. No. So, I let her wear her sandals. Let's see if it does fit. Yes, it is. And it's really pretty. She looks like Cinderella. But it's actually not. So, try holding the fairy. Coming up, another dog. Which I can't. So, hey, look. So we can have it. What's this? Yes. So we can glitter it. Yes, and relax. Nabalik ka rin. Ibalik ko na yung binibit mo ko. Pull.